And for free, let me show you how to do it using Remove.bg. Fast, easy, and no software needed. First, open your browser and go to www.remove.bg, the official website. Now, click on the blue Upload Image button, or simply drag and drop your photo right into the screen. In just a few seconds, the AI will automatically remove your background. No clicks, no selections. It's done instantly. Want it fine-tuned? Click Edit. You can erase or restore parts, or even add a new background, like a solid color or a scenic photo. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save the image as a PNG with transparent background. And that's it. In under a minute, you've removed the background completely free. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Open your desktop, locate the downloaded image, and check the background has been removed properly.